Sorry guys for the sudden cut on the previous video because my web recorder, my screen recorder allows only 10 minutes of recording as I did not purchase it. Uh, okay, so like what I was saying, see, you get an egg. Sorry guys, my mic went out. So see, you get an error over here, like 2147483648 is of type int is out of range. So like I typed one number more than the range. So I click 7 over here and the error goes. Like I did not use this variable in any way. So or this name in any way. So it gives the value of local variable a is not used. So I didn't use it in any way or in any other line. Okay, so let's try negative. Let's give negative this much. And again it gives us it's out of range, it's an error. So integer value can store only up to here. I don't think that's an only, it's a large number though. We will not be using that large numbers in this code. -2 and no error. So like each data type has their own ranges, so you can't cross or decrease from those ranges. So but if you take a long data type, the same number which I had over here, that is +1 of this, will work over here in long data type as it is inside the range, that is way inside the range of a long data type. So now let's check about boolean data types. Let's see first float and double data types. So in an integer data type, if I give integer a equals 1.4 and semicolon, it gives an error saying that we cannot convert from double to int. So you have to give as 14. So the decimal numbers in integers is not possible. So we have another data type for that known as float and double. Okay, so let's give float a value that is 134.5678. Okay, what's the error over here? Yeah, I didn't give a variable over here. So float a is equals to 134.5678. Sorry, a is already declared over here, so we can't use it again over here. So Java cannot use an already declared variable again another time. So we'll give this as b over here and double to float. So I gave a large value. No, what just happened over here? Type mismatch, cannot convert from double to float. Not converting from any double to float. Just go on with that. 5, 6, 7, 8 and double C equals 125.123456789. There's no error over here. Let's see when we'll get an error. So there's no error how much ever times we'll do this. Like it has a really long range. Let's get back and don't understand what's the error over here. just rewrite this again. So I'm not using this values anymore, all these values. So this is called typecasting. That I don't understand why I had to do that. Never happens normally. Like I declared it as a float over here, again I'm giving it as a float over here, so like makes no sense. Like it'll make sense if you give float over here and double over here. Like if I give double, it'll forcefully change this to double, but that cannot happen. Let's give float only over here. I don't know why this is mistaking this for a double or something. Okay, now let's see Boolean value. So as I said about the Boolean value, it is only true or false. Boolean can have only two answers or execution points, true or false. Like Boolean D I give. D is a Boolean. I give it as true. So Boolean D is true, or I can give it as false. So like if I try to give an integer value to this, you can see that it will give me an error. So type mismatch cannot convert from integer to Boolean. Okay, so we'll leave it as true over here. So these are the main data types. Oh, the character and string are also remaining, right? So the character data type is for any special character, symbol, letter, capital letters, underscore, upper anything. Like I'll give character R is equals to, you can give any variable name for this. You can give even a word name for this, like BORD. I don't know what that is. I'm just giving a name. Float board. Or I don't know what that is. I just gave a random name. Float beer. So it will give an error to me. See over here, I did not declare anything over here. I did not give any value over here. So sorry, any character over here, and put an equals to sign over here. So it gives me an error. Also, I didn't put a semicolon. Still, the error does not go because I did not give any value over here. Sorry, any character over here. And as I said, the characters should always be in single quotes. So now I'll give a character as $sign. I can give it as asterisk. I can give it as a letter A. I can give it as letter G. I can give it as a forward slash. I can give it as a comma. I can give it as a question mark. I can give any character here or any special symbol or any letter. For the timing, I'll put T. So guys, these are the main data types that I used in Java. So that's it for this episode, guys. So the next episode I'll be discussing more about other topics. You'll know in the next episode. Let's run this just for fun. I'll remove this statement. It does not give an output anything because I did not give any value over here. Like see, I did not give any print statement or anything over here. Okay guys, so that's